Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your crypto from the Kucoin app to the ByBit app so you can sell it if you want to sell it on ByBit via P2P. Now, in case you don't know, you can no longer do P2P on the Kucoin app for Nigerians. So if you're looking for how to sell your crypto via P2P, you can just transfer your crypto from Kucoin to ByBit and sell it on ByBit via P2P. Before I go into all the details, if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now, as you can see right here, I'm on the home page of the Kucoin app, and the first thing you want to do is to go to your assets page on the Kucoin app. So you can see where the arrow is pointing to, just click on it. That is your assets page. So right here, you'll be seeing your wallet and everything you have in your wallet. Now, you can see right here, you have your funding wallet, your trading wallet, your margin wallet, and other wallets right there. Now, before you can transfer your crypto to another app or maybe to ByBit app, your crypto must be in your funding wallet or in your trading wallet. So it must be in one of those two wallets. So if your crypto is not in your funding wallet or is not in your trading wallet, so let's for example is in your futures wallet, you have to transfer it from your futures wallet to your funding wallet or to your trading wallet on Kucoin app. Now, let's for example is BTC you have in your funding wallet, or maybe you have the BTC in your trading wallet and you want to withdraw USDT. So it is USDT you want to withdraw to your ByBit app. So you need to first convert that BTC to USDT on Kucoin. You can now withdraw USDT to your ByBit app. So firstly, I'll show you how you can convert your BTC to USDT on Kucoin. Then I'll now show you how you can withdraw that USDT from Kucoin to ByBit. I hope you understand. So right here is my funding wallet on the Kucoin app, and as you can see right here, I have 0.0051 BTC right here, which is about $338 as at the time of recording this video. Before you can convert anything, you need to make sure that that crypto is in your trading wallet. So you can see right here, this crypto is in my funding wallet. So I'll first transfer it to my trading wallet. So I'll just come right here, just click on it. And then you can see where it says from funding to trading. Make sure it's correct like this. Let's say to select the coin you want to transfer. So you know it's BTC I want to transfer from funding to trading. So I'll change this USDT. I'll click on it and then I'll change it to BTC right here. So once you've selected it, then I'll just enter the amount I want to transfer right here. If it's everything you want to transfer, just click on max right here. Max means maximum. So once you've done that, you click on confirm. So I'll go back to my trading wallet right now. So under my trading wallet, you can see I have my BTC right here. Now, the next thing you want to do is convert. So you can just click on the convert button right there. And then right here, you enter the amount you want to convert. So you can see it's already in BTC right here. If it's under crypto you want to convert, let's say it's ETH, just click on where you have BTC right here. So you come here and search for ETH, which is Ethereum. So this is ETH right here, where they are pointing to, and click on it. But it's not ETH I want to convert, it's BTC. So it's already in BTC right here. So I'll just enter the amount of BTC I want to convert. Let's say it's everything also. I'll just click on max. So once you click on max right here, you see the amount you'll be receiving. So I'll be getting 337.4 USDT. So once you've seen that, then just click on confirm at the bottom side of the screen. So you can see I've received 337 USDT. So I'll come back to my wallet right here and you can see it has changed to USDT. Now, once you have the crypto you want to transfer from Kucoin to ByBit, what you need to do is to go to overview right here where the arrow is pointing to. So I'll click on it right here. And then next thing you want to do is click on withdrawal where the arrow is pointing to. So once you click on withdrawal, it will bring you to this page right here. So you make sure that it is on crypto. You can see where the arrow is pointing to. Make sure it's on crypto and not on fiat. So I want to withdraw USDT. So you can see right here, this is the USDT right here. So I'll just click on it. So once you click on it, it will bring you to this page on the screen right here. And you can see the coin you want to withdraw is USDT is there already. So the remaining things you just want to enter right here are just the wallet address, the network, and the withdrawal amount. Now, how do you get the wallet address and the network? Now, this is now where you can go to your ByBit app. Now, as you can see on the screen, I'm on the home page of the ByBit app. And to copy your wallet address, you go to the assets page where the arrow is pointing to. And what you want to do is click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, you see these three options right here. So what you want to click on is deposit crypto. So as well you have deposit crypto, the next thing is to enter the crypto you want to deposit right here, which is USDT. So you see USDT right here. Now the next thing is to select the network. So you can select any network right here, but we advise you select one of the top two, which is ERC20 or TRC20. So for this video, I'll be going with TRC20, which is the one with the lesser fee, because the fee for TRC20 is about $1 USD, $1. So I'll just click on TRC20 right here. and then to show you your wallet address. So you can see this combination of letters and numbers that is very long. That is your wallet address. So the next thing is just to copy this wallet address and go to the Kucoin app to paste it. So to copy it, you click on this copy icon right here. So once I click on it, you can see copied successfully. So we are back on the Kucoin app right here, and you can see where you have this space right here where they are pointing to. Just click on it and click on paste. So you can see I've pasted it right here, and that won't automatically enter the network. So you can see the network is TRC20. If it doesn't enter it automatically, just click on it and you can enter it yourself. So the network must be the same as the network we picked on ByBit. It's very important. And also make sure that the wallet address is correct. Once you've done that, then come here to where you have withdrawal amount. Now you can see the minimum amount you can withdraw is 3 USDT. So you must take note of that. So I'll just come right here. If I want to withdraw everything, I can just come right here and click on max right here. So I'll just click on max. So I want to withdraw all the USDT in my wallet. I'll just click on max. But if that maybe you want to withdraw just $100, you can enter the amount, let's say $100. If it's 200, just enter 200. So if you want to withdraw everything, just click on max, like I said. So once you've done that, at the bottom side of the screen, you'll be seeing the fee you'll be paying. So you can see I'm paying 1.5 USDT and I'll be receiving $340 in my ByBit wallet. So once you've seen that, just click on withdraw at the bottom side of the screen. And right here, you'll be asked to enter your trading password and your verification code. So I've entered that, and you can see right here on the screen, it says withdrawal successful. So you can go to your ByBit app, maybe in the next 1 or 2 minutes, you're going to get your USDT in your wallet address on ByBit. And also to track your transaction to see if it's in progress or it is completed, just come right here to where you have this icon where the arrow is pointing to, just click on it. And then to show you your recent transaction. So you can see the one we just did just now is in progress. So I just refreshed the page again, and you can see right here it says completed instead of in progress. So I'll go to my ByBit app to confirm if it's there already. So I'm here on the ByBit app. This is the assets page. So I'll just click on spot right here. See the spot wallet. You click on it, and then you come right here. You can see where you have this USDT. I'll just click on it. So you can see right here I have 340 USDT right here. So that means that the payment is confirmed. Now, if you want to sell it to via P2P on the ByBit app, I have a video on that, on how to withdraw it directly from ByBit to your bank account via P2P. The link to that video will be in the description below.